Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the pager ID of the TD164 guest paging system. First, we need to make sure put back the pagers in the charging base in 20 seconds so you can programming the items. But if no, let's see what happened. The programming mode P999 and a code. You can see all the pagers are still the number and there's no change, and it's not in a programming mode because it's put more than 20 seconds after I put it back on the charging base. So remove it first and put it back. Okay. Now let's try again. P. Okay, now you can see the LED is flashing, so you can change the numbers. First 10, I'll use 10 and press code. Okay, this is the 10 and 20. Okay, and 98 code. Okay. As you can see, you don't need to change the always, so you can press a number directly here. Okay, and change another one. Okay, that's fine. So it's very easy to programming. 6. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now you can see I have changed all the pager ID. Now let's try a few. See the 50. So we need to go back to the code mode. Okay, you can see a light vibration. For this one, you can press this key directly. Okay, it turned off. And try again. And we can also put it back, so it will stop. It's very convenient. Another one. Okay. Can put it back to turn off. Okay. And besides, it also have the record function. You can check the 10 recent calls. This one. Let's see, use this one. You can see these are the records that I checked. So in the calling mode, you can press the up key to check the 10 calls. So if you miss some call, and you can check this and to find the call number. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us by support@retekess.com. Thank you.